We are back once again with another tip from our Designing Phases tip series. That's right. Not only are we helping design your space, in this series, we're offering decorating ideas based on the phase of life you're in. Such an awesome series. And back to offer her advice is Anna Arun, an expert from Coddle. Once again, she's here with some great ideas to furnish this space right here as we showcase another amazing phase of our life. Anna, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Great to have you. So what phase of life are we going to be focusing on today?
Well, today we are here to handle the growing needs of a growing family.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of us. So should we show them what you got?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do it. Wow, Anna, this is gorgeous. This space is beautiful. The couch is beautiful. It's a bigger space than we've seen in our previous rooms, so I don't even know, where should we start?
Well, so it is a nice and big piece of furniture, but it's meant for growing families.
Yes.
So let's talk about growing families. Growing families means 2 or 3 kids, maybe a couple dogs, a cat or so. Mm-hmm. You have cousins visiting, friends, sleepovers.
Grandma,
grandpa. Nightmare for moms, usually.
Sounds like a big mess that's about to happen.
Absolutely.
At any given time.
That's right. Movie nights, a lot of things happening, which means popcorn, soda, spillovers, glass of wine.
You name it.
Yes, a lot of cleaning that has to happen after.
Pet hair.
That's right. And then after all that, mom has to still figure out where everybody sleeps, right? So this particular beautiful piece of furniture, while it looks gorgeous, also accommodates for all of that.
Wow.
Now let me show you how she can easily accommodate multiple people sleeping on it.
Okay.
And comfortably.
All right. Show me.
Let me show you.
All right.
If you don't mind stepping back a little bit. Thank you.
Don't worry.
So traditionally, when you have to convert furniture, you have to pull it away from the wall, right?
Yes.
Or it's clunky and difficult to convert. These
True.
are called wall huggers. What's a wall hugger? These are designed such that you don't have to pull them away from the wall. It's so easy, and it's a 2-step conversion.
Okay.
So, pull it out.
Oh, that's so easy.
And just drop it.
Look at that.
How easy is that?
Super
right?
easy.
And it's also built such a way that 3 people can use it differently at the same time. One person can
Because
sit.
this pulls out as well.
Absolutely. If this is by the wall, a person can put the pillow right in the back, right? And they can lounge, and one person can sleep, right? While it's used 3 ways, but at the same time, you are able to use it as a huge sleeping surface.
Wow, it's so big and so
that.
easy to use. Look at that. That literally took 5 seconds.
Yes.
And then in the morning, you can just reassemble in 5 more seconds.
Put it
and
right
everybody
back.
can hang out.
And
Look
the
at
other
that.
thing to note is when it's in sleeping position, it uses standard issue queen size sheets. So you don't have to buy anything special
You
for it.
don't have to buy new
Right.
sheets for it. Now, I know this is not my first rodeo with you guys, so
Yes.
I know that there's probably some other awesome features in this couch as well, right?
Absolutely. And can you just lift that side for a second?
Oh, what?
So we also thought of everything. So when mom
Because
feels
it's a huge couch
clutter,
and there's kids and
That's
people
right.
throw stuff and leave it, and look at that.
you can just
there's
stick
so
it
much
there.
storage in here, Anna.
Yes. And you can never have enough storage.
Wow, never have enough storage. Now, what about if you're wanting to hang out and you want to plug in your
Great
devices?
question.
Because
So we
you know
have
that
a
always happens.
Plug point on that side, and we have a plug point on this side. Not only does it have charging plug points, it also has USB-C. So we're keeping up with the trend.
This couch can handle it all, and it's so super stylish.
Absolutely.
Love it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for this beautiful concept. And for more information, you can check out the Coddle website at coddleme.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. And we've got more great designing phases tips in the future, so be sure to keep tuning in for more of these tips only on Designing Spaces. All right, Anna, want to have a seat?
Thank you.
Let's chill.